Ready to elevate your HR career? In today's data-driven world, HR is no longer just about people. It's about insights, impact, and smart decisions. Introducing the Certified CHRMEx Expert course. Learn 100 essential HR metrics, from basics to advanced analytics. Measure and analyze workforce data with confidence. Turn data into powerful HR strategies. Create impactful reports that drive real decisions. World Academy UK is one of the world's leading professional certification institutes, with over 16 years of excellence. With a presence in more than 68 countries and over 32,500 professionals trained, World Academy offers more than 219 professional certification programs delivered by expert trainers. We proudly bring you the Certified CHRMEx Expert for global professionals. What you'll gain: strong analytical and decision-making skills, ability to identify gaps and improve HR processes, confidence to apply data in real-world HR scenarios, a valuable credential to boost your career. By the end of this course, you won't just understand HR, you'll transform it using data-driven insights. Take the next step in your HR journey. Enroll now and become a certified CHRMEx expert. For more information, visit us at www.worldacademy.uk.